Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. Maayong gabi Canada and maayong udto Pilipinas. And karon guys, nintry ko og kana bitong sana Gangnam street food Korean cause I love Korean food as well too guys. So this is ramen I'm not sure ramen when I asked them to put extra kimchi to it, so I don't know how spicy, but I'm not sure kung mahurot din ako guys, kung mura magperti ning daghanan na guys, dako kayo. Okay, let's start it guys. See guys, look at that guys. So I don't know if I can yeah, I love Korean food too, especially the ramen guys. Mm. Mm. Um, it's good. It gives sausage and ham to it as well. Yeah, supposedly I was to do this vlog at Kingsway Mall at downtown, but it's a bunch of there's a lot of people there, guys. So that's why always if I see a lot of people, a lot of crowded, I have to avoid that because, like I said, COVID-19 is not a joke, guys. It's really a serious matter. Yeah, and then this year, no gatherings, no partying or etc. guys. And please always stay safe. Cause anak rata mao na malikaya nato guys, basta di lang ta mo take og chances. Always stay safe. Mm. And then yeah, same thing here guys. Yeah, update lang ta katong kuan kay mo lagi guys ang daily cases lagi diri gyud sa Alberta or Edmonton na still rising up, especially weekends like Friday and Saturday and Sunday. And then when I'm back Monday, watch that news, 6 p.m. news, and there we go again. So that the best thing though, just stay home. Please don't take any chances, guys. Mm. Yeah, first time I tried that Gangnam Gangnam or Gangnam street food Korean guys. Yeah, it's pretty good and it's a lot to it. Mm, a lot of sausage and ham guys. So I don't know if I can finish this. It's a bit spicy now, so let's give it a shot, guys. Eh? Yeah, I was tired. Travel about back and forth about 1 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then I went home sleep. I didn't notice like it's about around 6 or 7 in the evening now here in Canada, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Mm. Good. My favorite, guys. Korean ramen, guys. And dili ni siya mukbang guys ha, kaysa ang plano taan lagi ato lagi ako mag-vlog. Ba tungod lagi sa kadaghan sa tao, I have to avoid. I'm not gonna take any chances. So mga dili nang nako ni gi-vlog sa balay guys. Pati yung daghana guys, oy. Di gid na ko ni mahurot guys. Yeah, so ari lang siguro ta kutob guys kadi gud mahurot oh, dapat daghang kayo. So kung di mahurot, dili gid nato pugson. So stay safe, stay calm, stay healthy, stay active, and be wise guys. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace out.